Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ryan, and today we're diving into 8 things you need to start doing if you want to become successful. These are things I see all the top influencers do, or say they do. By the way, I have a free Notion template that I'll leave linked below this video and it's in my bio. And essentially what it is it's got all 7 days of the week, and it's got a little checkbox that have a bunch of tasks that I get done every single day. I think it will help you improve on your accountability, and it'll help you improve your life overall. Go check it out, and let's get back to the video. First thing is reading. Now I know this is kind of obvious, and it's like, okay, well, that makes sense, right? Because knowledge is power. And so, knowledge is a really good one. And if you're not sure what books you should read, I have a list that I'll link below. But the list is Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, Atomic Habits, Millionaire FASTLANE, $100 million offers, $100 million leads, Never Split the Difference, Discipline is Destiny, The Psychology of Money, Surrounded by Idiots, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, and The 48 Laws of Power. Those are all books that I think are really good and ones that you should definitely check out if you want to become successful or trying to become successful. But yeah, this is very important. Iman Gadsby says it's very important to have knowledge, and it increases your attention span from, scrolling on TikTok and all that stuff. So that's also another good thing. Number 2 is combat sports. Andrew Tate says it's very important for a man to know how to fight or defend himself. Iman Gadsby says you need to humble yourself. Combat sports will also teach you an unmatched amount of discipline, which is another very good thing. And me personally, actually that's funny because tonight I'm going to my first ever Muay Thai session, and I'm doing kickboxing, so it'll be good, I think. And combat sports are a really good way to kind of put yourself out there, and it's a great thing for a man to know. Number 3 is you need to know how to set goals, and this is something everyone can do. Hamza says it's a good thing to be doing if you want to see growth, and setting goals, whether they are like completely unrealistic or they're very realistic, is a good thing. But if you set goals and you fail, then take a step back and assess yourself and say, okay, what did I do wrong? What set me back? Why didn't I complete this? And then from there, you can say, okay, well, I didn't actually have enough time, and I was trying very hard to actually get this thing done. So if that's the case, then just say, okay, well, next time I'm going to try school again for the same amount of time, but I'm going to expect a little less and see if I can actually get it done this time again. So setting goals is a very important thing. Now, number 4 is start a business. Now, every single gurus out there or self-improvement people, they all tell you to start a business. And what business works best for you depends on kind of what you like and what you enjoy doing. You could, some examples of some high-paying jobs or businesses that I'm thinking of right now are advertisement agency. You could do SaaS, you could do drop shipping, you could do there's so many. Affiliate marketing, that's another good one. And there's a whole ton, but I won't get into a lot of them right now. But yeah, start a business, and then once you get good enough, then start hiring people, and eventually you'll make more and more money, and that's what you want. Number 5 is lift weights. And you want to do this to improve your attractiveness or stay in shape. It doesn't matter, but lifting weights is a very good thing for a man to do, and it's a good thing to have muscles, because if you're strong, you're not weak, and you're not in like that victim weight. But it also gives you discipline, which is another thing every man needs. Number 6 is journaling. Now, I know this is like kind of dumb. It's not dumb, but it kind of sounds silly at first. But journaling is very important for tracking your growth, and it helps you to stay open with yourself. Like me personally, I think it's very important to not bottle all that emotion up inside you, just waiting for it to become an outburst. You want to really make sure you can be open with everyone. But I don't really want to go see a therapist, because I think that's, I don't know, a little bit silly and a waste of time. So I journal, and it really helps me out. Like, I can just write whatever I want down, because I don't really show anyone it. And journaling is a really good thing. And if you want to like stay on track with journaling, another thing you can do is like spend like, I don't know, $20 to $50 on a like more expensive journal, but make sure it's like a nice one too. It's good quality, so that you're more like financially invested. And so like, it's like, I bought this and it was a lot of money, so now I want to make sure I use it. So that's something that can help you. And Jordan Brown, Iman Gadsby, they both say that it's a good thing, and that it's helped them with their mentality and all that stuff. And there's one more person, Moritz Neo. He's a YouTuber, Instagrammer. I look up to him. He's an awesome guy. He also journals, and there's so many other people out there that journal that are successful. But yeah, and it helps you stay organized too. Number 7 is mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is a very good thing for you to do, whether it be walks, meditation, or runs. That's, I don't know, not really, but kind of. And recognizing your strengths and weaknesses will set you apart from everyone else. Now, mindfulness is a very good thing for you to practice. It's kind of like journaling, but I didn't want to include that in journaling. Journaling is a form of mindfulness. And meditation, I've been doing it for a while now. Meditation really helps me kind of stay like focused. It helps me focus. Like sometimes I only get like 7.5 hours of sleep, but then I'll do a 5 or 10 minute meditation session, and it really just kind of helps me focus more. And I like meditating. It's a good thing you can do. Number 8 is staying organized. Hamza says having a clean room boosts your productivity. And if you have everything organized, if, let's say, your computer, you have everything on files on your desktop, it's so much easier, and you don't have all these files just spread out across your laptop or computer. And as well, your room. If your room is messy, then often your mind will also be messy. So it's very good for you to declutter your room and just keep it clean. And I think that it's really important for that to, it's important for your room to be clean, because then a clean room is a clean mind. And having a dirty room, like there's like stuff all over the place, like clothes or like bottles or cans or whatever, then it's kind of like, and you don't really know where everything is. Then if you're looking for something, you get lost and you waste like a bunch of time. then you're like, oh shoot, what was I doing? Kind of, it's just a distraction. So clean your room, stay organized, and that being said, that's it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out my Notion template. I'll link it below this video for you to check out, and it's in my bio. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you next time.